Welcome. In this video we are going to find the value of x for this equation of 3 raised to power 2 x is equal to 2 raised to power 5 minus x. Now to solve this equation, let's introduce logarithm to both sides. So we have log 3 raised to power 2x equals log 2 raised to power 5 minus x. Now remember the law of logarithm. If you have log a raised to power b, bc, let's say bc equals, this will be b log a bc. And remember, this log is in base 10. So our equation will now become 2x log 3 equals 5 minus x log 2. Now let's open this bracket. We have 2x log 3 equals 5 log 2 minus x log 2. Now let's collect the like term. We have x here and x here. This will now come to the left hand side. So we will have 2x log 3. This is minus, it will become plus x log 2 equals 5 log 2. Now the next thing is to factorize out this x. So we will have, let's factorize x out of this equation and the left hand side. So this will become x into 2 log 3 plus log 2 equals 5 log 2. Now let's divide both sides by this. So we will have x equals 5 log 2 over 2 log 3 plus log 2. And the value for this will be 1.199 and so on. Approximately we will have 1.2. But before we go, let's check for this value if it is correct with our equation. To check, our equation is 3 raised to power 2 x equals 2 raised to power 5 minus x. By using this, we will have 3 raised to power 2 into 1.199 equals 2 raised to power 5 minus 1.199. So when we compute this, we have 13.9359 so on equals, and this .93846 and so on. Approximately both can be equals to 13.94. This so that our value for x, which is 1.199, is correct for this equation. Thank you for watching.